Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today, I'm going to show you how to create Telegram account in your laptop or desktop. But before that, I do have a video that how to download Telegram in your laptop, desktop, or mobile device. Just check that out. And so we need to go forward. So just click Telegram. As you can see here, you can click Start Messaging. Just click that one. And this one, if you do have account, so you can just log in using your mobile number, or if you do have account in your cell phone, just follow the steps like open the Telegram on your phone, go to settings, which I am doing now. Just give me one sec. So go to settings, device, and then link the desktop device. I'm just doing it now, and there you have it. You already created your account in your desktop. So see you on my next video. I hope you like this one. Bye.